Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how you can add your Afterpay card to your Apple Wallet. Now if you didn't know what this is used for, this allows you to buy stuff in store with your Afterpay card. So the way to actually set it up would first be to open up the Afterpay app, and then from here you just want to go in the bottom middle where it says in store, and then look for the button that says set up ClearPay card. And as you can see, that's just under where my spend limit is, where it says £450. So we click this and we'll be prompted to actually add it to our Apple Wallet. So what we actually do is click this add to Apple Wallet button at the bottom, and then it will send us a code that we can input into here, and then here is where we can actually add the card to our Apple Pay wallet. So it will show us the name of the card and the end of the card number, and we can just go ahead and click next. And then just in a moment after it's finished setting up the card, we can click agree on this. And then after that, it will actually be added to our Apple Wallet. As you can see, it now says card added, and we can click done. And then now the card is added to our Apple Wallet. And when we're ready to actually buy stuff in store, we can follow the steps on screen and complete that purchase. So that is exactly how you can add your Afterpay card to your Apple Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.